What's up, gang? What we doing, boys? Dude. What a day. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Dude, I see the Mandem is in chat. Mandem has pulled up. Chat, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm streaming super late, bro. This is usually when I end stream. What the fuck? What the fuck? Change that. Bard is live every weekday. Hey, listen, chat. I'm late today. I'm late, but I have a good reason. All right. I just trust me, chat. I needed that massage. Chat, I needed that massage. My back was killing me. I was so stale. I was so stale. I was so like I was cramping. I had so many like knots. It felt like in my back, dude. Trust me, chat. I'm rejuvenated. Chat. I'm a new man. I'm reborn again. Anyways, oh, I remember this. What a fucking week it has been for me. Yo, Chad, we've been killing it. QTC. The compensation play, chat, is literally in its prime. Now talk to me. Was your happy ending you paid for real or were you joking? It was a joke, bro. Obviously. Was good, Omar. Was good, Toby. Was good, Paolo. All right, chat. Let me wait till a few more people pull up here. I'm gonna go through analysis. Today's probably gonna be a pretty short stream, so we can see if we can grab a quick position. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty short stream, chat. I'm not gonna be streaming for too long. But I just thought I'd pull one out. Perhaps maybe even do an analysis for you, also you know what you look for. So yeah. Was good, B Money. First day her keys. Let's go. First day what? First day here keys. Let's. I don't know what you mean, bro. But welcome to the stream. Yo, Bard, have you been trading Forex pairs lately? If yes, which one does the comp play work on? I don't know. I don't know. UJ? I can name like a few. UJ. AUD USD. Not GJ. Stay away from GJ. And yeah. First day here, let's go. Welcome to the stream, brother. But yeah, usually those. I have a list. I have a list on my course of all the Forex pairs that the comp play works best on. I don't quite remember. But yeah, we took this beautiful trade while I was getting a massage, chat. I was checking my phone while I was getting a massage, bro. Literally, I took the position. I sent the signal to the VIP members. I went and took the massage, came back, and we hit full TP. But yeah, beautiful trade. Compensation play, you guys already know. Right here. Beautiful compensation play right there, chat. So that was a dub, and then I think UJ had something. Let me see. Where's UJ? Where's UJ? Where's UJ? There it is. Oh yeah, UJ had this right here. Beautiful compensation play for, yeah, a lot of pips. So yeah, also down here. Beautiful UJ plays, beautiful compensation plays, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Life is beautiful, chat. Life is beautiful. When you got the compensation play. Anyways, let's see what's Gold saying here. The levels are still very valid, chat. I actually redrew these levels this morning, so I kind of did the analysis this morning. But yeah, what I'm seeing a heavy bearish moment on the daily. I'm also seeing a reversal on the daily. So I am seeing this, right? I hope you guys also seeing this. I'm seeing these wicks right here. Also the fact that you closed below most recent, failed to come up and break the highs, and you're looking like you want to break the lows now. So what I'm expecting on gold, I'm expecting us to probably break the lows on the daily. I'm expecting the daily to come down to 26.33 for sure. So I'm expecting 26.33 today. No doubt about it. Very bearish price action again. It's looking like it wants to continue that trend. If you break this wick, then you'll see a waterfall down all the way to 25.96 between here somewhere. But for now, I think this range will get filled down to this no bottom wick. It's not a no bottom wick at all, but it is technically it still has a magnetic force. Because there's a proportionally small bottom wick. So I do think the daily is going to come down to around 63. But before that, I do think we need a wick, a top wick. I don't want to enter right now. It's a waterfall. I do think you need to come up and retest it somehow. So I'm going to wait for perhaps to have some sort of a void right here that you just created. This void right here that you might tap into before coming down again. Closures below. Let me change this. Closures below 26.43 should give us an amazing play down all the way to. Hold on, my brother's calling me. Let's see. 4-hour, beautiful 4-hour wick. I love that. Love that liquidity. Love that liquidity. Tap right into that zone of liquidity right here. Broke all the previous highs. Beautiful, 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 beautiful 4-hour candle. Looks super bearish. If this 4 had I would have probably taken the flip play here. I didn't see it, but if like the reflip on this would have been great. Just love those type of candles. 1 hour, look at close below, same areas as the 30. Yeah, chat, looking for sells here, very sell heavy. I'm looking for sells at around could take some sells at around that void right there. So sells at around 26.50, I'd say 26.54. Sells around between 26.54 and 26.55. So sells around here for us to come back down after filling this imbalance and retesting this void. Or just a closure below 26.43.7 after a top wick for us to come down and fill the range all the way to 26.34. For buys, I'd wait for a breakout above these highs. Like for a buy, I'd look for a breakout above 58 if I'm gonna ever take a buy. So that's what I'm gonna look for when it comes to buys. Above right here. Yeah, that's the analysis, chat. Very simple. Sell heavy, bias is sell. Looking for top wicks, looking for us to come and retest. Just following the trend. Trend is your friend. You guys know that. You guys know the deal. So yeah. Hold on, let me just. Oh, I need to journal my trades that I took. I was taking a few trades recently. So we had that 100 pip trade yesterday. I've still not journaled that. Okay, so we had a 100 pip trade yesterday. Let me just journal this shit. So yesterday it was the oh, that's a 5 compensation play. Let's see, I do like the first. Which month? Is it 10th month? Uh, let me fix that later. We're coming down in the chat. We got a 5 closure and we got a 15 closure here. And oh, this is a good closure. I think we're gonna close below here, chat. I do think the 15 is gonna close slightly below. Right there. Strong 15 closure, chat. But the trade you took today was a specific play or the just read price action? It was one of my play. It was a compensation play. I took 2 trades actually, chat. I took 2 trades. I took one on UJ and one on GU. I only managed to call one out for you guys. I only managed to call out GU for you. The UJ I did not manage to call out. I was a little late on that one, so I just But both were really good trades. But yeah, those were both compensation plays. Chat, just master the compensation plays and you're profitable. It's that simple. Master the compensation plays and you're profitable. No cap. No cap. Chat, chat, for real, I could die tomorrow, chat. Chat, I could die tomorrow. God forbid. But I could die tomorrow, God forbid, and you guys would be able to become profitable with all the things that I put out so far. With the plays that you guys have learned for free from me, you could be profitable. Yeah. Make sure to use it. Where can we learn that? It's on my YouTube channel. It's called The Only Play You Need to Become Profitable. Didn't you say once a range gets filled, it's not valid anymore. Only after the price passes it and returns. Yes. That is true. You want to sell in the same range with the price going away and coming back. Why is it valid? This, what? This? Which range? I don't know which range you're talking about, bro. This range got reset because you did close above, right? And then come back. This range is also got reset because you still haven't closed below or filled it in a while after you close outside of it here. So I don't really see your point. With the playbook, you share what pairs work the best for the comp play? Yes. Nah, the void play? Oh, with the void play. Oh, so you're talking about this. Right? When we tap here. I think that's what you're talking about. Confirm if that's what if this is what you're talking about, then the reason I'd say sells here is I'm not gonna take the sells here if we just tap. Like the void play isn't an established play yet. We're still like working on it and seeing what works and what doesn't, because it's basically a fair value gap. But anyways, it's not the void play is not an established play. So when I say I'm gonna look for sells here, I'm talking about if we get a flip play, I'm gonna look for sells. If we get a compensation play, I'm gonna look for sells. If we get a no wick play, I'm gonna look for sells. Right? But I'm not gonna take the sell straight off of this area. So yeah, I'm not just. It's not like I'm gonna take this sell immediately just to fill the range down. So yeah, no. It's just if I get a flip play, and if I get a flip play, then it doesn't matter if the range got filled. The flip play is the flip play. So yeah, if I was gonna take a simple retest, then I would wait for a breakout, right? I would wait for a breakout here. If I was just gonna take sells immediately, like straight off of a wick. But now since I'm looking for a play up here, I'm not gonna take sells immediately. It does not quite matter that we filled the range already, because the flip play is, again, the flip play is the flip play. We take it regardless. The flip play only matters in relation to support and resistance. But yeah, chat, I think after this, coming up here, obviously, but after this retest, I do think we're going to come down, come back down again. Again, that's why we don't take closures off the 15, wait for the 30. 30 might flip as far as I know, but again, we might come up to this void, but no further. Let's see. UJ right now is way too overextended for me to even consider anything. Also, I already traded that pair today. GBP CAD, nope, doesn't look good. Consolidation of Euro AUD, EUD, I think was, yeah, no, Euro AUD. GBP AUD currently still consolidating. Compensation play against the trend though, so wouldn't advise taking this. AUD USD, nothing. Yeah, chat. This might look good. Euro USD does not look bad. Doesn't look bad for a sell around this area. Might look to get into that, chat, honestly. DXY is still heavily bullish. How about Bitcoin now? Can you please check it? I don't trade Bitcoin, bro. Sorry. I don't trade Bitcoin. I stay away from Bitcoin. I think it's heavily manipulated. I think liquidity grabs are just disgusting. So I don't enjoy trading Bitcoin or even looking at Bitcoin, to be honest. So no, I'm not gonna look at Bitcoin. With the flipbook, you share what pairs works the best for comp play. Yes, I do. But I do have to update it though. I do have to update it though. I will update it and make a new list because I've been testing it out recently and got some new information. Mm -mm -mm. 15 coming down to his last 7 minutes. Should be starting to flip here. USD. Yeah, that USD comp does not look bad, chat. I might actually take this. I might actually take that. It's also a retest. Yeah, I might look to get into that, chat. Your Bard, will it be shared for free or with the playbook? Probably with the playbook. I can like you guys will see which pairs I use on stream and stuff like that, but I'll probably not share a whole list because the list will probably just be for the playbook members, but you guys will see which plays I take or which pairs I trade on stream and stuff like that. So you'll get the hint of it. Also in the community chat, I've been seeing people trying all kinds of different pairs being traded on the Discord. But I'm seeing pairs I didn't even know existed. Like GBP AUD, bro. I don't think I've ever looked at GBP AUD. And people are trying the compensation play on. I've seen people try the compensation play on Ethereum. I've seen people try the compensation play on Bitcoin. I've seen them try it on, dude, all different NAS 100, all different kinds of stuff, man. It's actually nuts. Wick off for the win. I don't know. I don't know if Wick off will. I haven't really studied Wick off or even looked into it. I know people have had success with it, but yeah, I haven't looked into Wick off. Hold on, chat. Let me change shirt real quick. Super hot. What y'all saying? Is pip value on FTMO same for Forex better than gold? No. on Forex pairs, but it's smaller. Okay, this is the thing with this right now, chat, is yeah, I'm gonna take this compensation play for sure. But the thing is though that you have a comp here, so we might reject off of this area first. If we do that, then we miss out with it. It is what it is. But I'm willing to risk it. Honestly, I'm willing to risk it. Uh, 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 uh. Let's see. We got the 5. Mm, 5 closing above. I think, yeah, 15 closing back into range. 30. 15 close super weird. It makes sense on the 30 though. That is a rejection area. How do you figure it out? Let's say on GJ I have a stop loss 50 pips. How much should I lot? I don't know. I cannot calculate that. I have no, like that's super hard. I don't know. I don't have that in my head, bro. I do not have those values in my head. So yeah, you'll have to look it up. Ask ChatGPT, bro. Honestly, I can't calculate that in my head. Stop loss 50 pips, especially GJ, because I haven't traded GJ in so long. So I can't say, bro. I can't say. What about the other pairs? Bro, stop making me think, bro. Why are you making me think? All right, let's see. 30-minute closure. Ooh, can we get a big? Let's see if we can get a big topic on the 30. We can get in a nice play off this flip. If we break, okay, here's the play, chat. If we break this wick on the 30 and start coming up, I'm gonna have sell stops at the break of this low. I think we're gonna break it now. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, chat. If we start coming up here and breaking this area right here, without creating a bigger wick than this, I'm gonna have. Okay, there's a flip. Almost got the position. USD. Oh, might want to reject off of that compensation right here instead. Might reject a bit earlier than we expect, chat. Yo, chat, I low-key need to take a dump. I ain't gonna lie. Holy shit. Also, I feel like the volume is gonna be pretty slow. Good. Do we have news today? Let's see. News. We had ADP, non-farm employment change. Good for the dollar. Nice. Unemployment claims. We got tomorrow is gonna be a big day, chat. Tomorrow we got PMI at 4, unemployment claims at 2:30. Okay, never mind. Wait, what? Wait, NFP is next week? No, yeah, FOMC. No, what? When's NFP, chat? Yo, when is NFP, chat? Isn't NFP on the... Bro, why isn't NFP next month, chat? First Friday of the month? Yeah, but it's not this Friday. Friday, October. Average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change. So this is not NFP. What? It's not, though. It's not non-farm payrolls. Chat, there's no NFP this Friday. I don't know why. Where? Can you somebody send me a screenshot in community chat? If you go to Forex Factory, non-farm employment change, not non-farm payroll. Huh? The fuck? Why they skip it, bro? What the fuck? No, that's weird as fuck, chat. God damn. Non-farm payroll October 4th, Friday. Why the Me no understand. FP from AliExpress. Boy, it is. I check. Why? Okay, then there's something wrong with. Forex Factory. Why isn't Forex Factory working, chat? What kind of bullshit is this, man? What kind of bullshit is this? I used Forex Factory to find out. Okay, bro. Do we have a different Forex Factory? Because look, I'm in Forex Factory right now. Like, this is their website. This is the Forex Factory website. Do we have some kind of different website? But why do I not see non-farm payrolls? FX Street, okay. Your USD 5 pips away. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take this compensation, chat. I'm very likely gonna take this compensation. But before that, I do need to use restroom, so I'm gonna just use the restroom real quick. I'll be back in a few seconds. Lord BardFx, this humble it your advice. What's up, bro? What do you want to know? Tell me. Oh, you're usually coming up there. Let's see if we get a position here. Chat, let's see if we get a position here. Hold on one sec. I was up 800 for the day, and I thought I could go one more because I usually do 3 trades. Suffered a loss, but I kept going, and then I was down 600 for the day. Okay, so that is a very, very, very good question. So, what you have done, first of all, there are a few problems here. The first problem is, it doesn't seem like you have a limit, right? It doesn't seem like you have limited yourself. So it kind of seems like you're just trading, and then the more money you make, the better, which is not the case for trading. But it sounds to me like you're in that mindset of the more I make, the better, just with no ceiling. So that's the first thing. Do you have a goal for yourself each day? Do you have a goal for perhaps taking a few trades a day, or if you make a certain amount of money, you stop? If not, you need to have that goal, right? You have to have a max amount of trades, max number of trades per day. You have to have a number of money in your head. That's the max. If I make this money, then I'm done. Second of all, you said one more trade. So if you were able to get up to 800, yeah, but that's the problem, bro. So the biggest problem is that it doesn't make sense in my head how you can make $800 off of 2 trades and then lose that 800 plus 600 extra from 1 trade. That means that you're heavily over risking, or you moved your stop loss, which both of those are detrimental to your trading. So which one is it? Did you move your stop loss, or did you heavily over risk and increase your lot size? Revenge traded the second one after loss. The second after one loss. So you took a bunch of trades and you revenge traded. Okay. Well, you have to go back to the drawing board, bro, and you have to, first of all, why did you take those trades? Were they a part of your playbook? Second of all, you have to change the definition of success. I was done for the sat back and thought about it. Okay, you have to change the definition of success. So either you will have to get burnt so many times that you have 2 choices: quit or change. That's the first thing that can happen to you, right? That is quit or change. So you will get burnt so hard and you will lose so much money that you will be literally at the bottom, and there will be 2 ways to go from there. That will be quit or change. That's the first thing. The second thing is, if you have a playbook, or if you have a few plays that you usually take, I want you to print them out on a paper, and I want them to paste them in front of you. wherever that is on a wall, but just so you're always seeing them, right? And then I want you to only take the plays you see on that playbook. If it aligns with the paper, you take it. That's why my third video on this channel is so important. How I became a trading algorithm. That's probably the most important trading video I will ever put out, because that's how you get away from this, what you just did, revenge trading, right? That's how you trade emotionless, because what you just did is you traded completely based off of emotions. That was emotional trading at its finest for you. Also, another thing, learn to take losses, bro, and don't see losses as a loss. See it as a part of the game. Like, a loss shouldn't even be seen as I lost money, right? If you take a trading strategy, is very simply a systematic approach to the market, right? So if you span out a trading strategy and test it over the thousands of trades, you'll have 1 loss, 2 wins, 1 loss, few wins, 1 loss, few wins, blah blah, and you will, over that period of time, you will have a bunch of losses, a bunch of wins. Now, both the losses and the wins are a part of that strategy. Do you guys understand that? If you take my strategy, the no-wick strategy, and you test it out for 1,000 trades, over that period of trades, you will have few losses, few wins, few losses, few wins, right? So the whole strategy, right, when you look at those 1,000 trades, you see that the strategy is compiled of losses and wins, meaning they're both necessary. If you have a strategy that only wins, you have a problem. It does not exist. That's the problem. And it will never exist, because there is no strategy that never loses. So just come to the fact that you will take a loss. Just take it on the chest. Let it hit your stop loss. Look at it and just let it hit your stop loss. Right? And don't let the next trade be affected. Because I promise you, bro, it really does not matter. It really does not matter how good of a playbook you have, how good of a trader you think you are. As long as you don't have that discipline to stop trading after a certain point, as long as you can't hold your emotions back or know how to deal with them, you will always end up at zero. I see it as a lesson. Yeah, see it as a lesson, but that's generic advice. Obviously, everybody knows you need to see losses as a lesson. But the most important thing, more important than before you can see it as a lesson, you have to be able to accept it. Right? Before taking something out of it, you have to be able to accept it first. Because a lot of people can't accept the losses. So first, accept the loss, and don't see it as a loss. Matter of fact, be happy when you lose. Just say, okay, that's a part of the strategy, part of my job. Your job is to lose. I don't know how to put it in another other way, because since you were young, you're probably programmed. There's winning and there's losing, right? Winning is good, losing is bad. When you play a football game, you either win or you lose. Playing football is determined, or the success of playing football is determined by how many times you win, how many times you lose, right? Same thing with everything else. But in trading, you have to shift that, because in trading, it's not about winning or losing. In trading, a strategy, if you take a strategy and test it through 1,000 trades, you will see that there's both wins and losses in that 1,000 trade sample. Meaning the strategy is compiled of both wins and losses. So your strategy, or any strategy on earth, doesn't exist without losses. So you have to realize that losses is ingrained. And when you can do that, you have to be able to accept the losses. And then after you accept the losses, you can start taking the lessons from the losses. But bro, first, learn to take losses on the chest. I promise you, bro, things my mental is different, because I'm going into trading with barely any capital, so I feel like I need to keep making bread over a loss different in a bad way. Yeah, man, and that's never gonna happen. That's never gonna happen, bro. It's slow compounding growth. You'd be surprised, bro. Dude, you'd be so surprised at what compounding growth can do. Small steps at a time, but small steps create huge snowball effects after a while. So, bro, just small steps at a time, bro. Just don't try to make a lot, bro. 800 in a day, man. Do you know how much 800 in a day is for the average person? $800 in a day. That's a lot of money, bro. Even heck, even 200 a day is a lot of money for most people. For the average person, 200, and especially since you made that from your computer, bro. If you could make 100 in a day, if you can make 100 in a day, you should be happy. Why? Not because it's a huge shit ton of money, but just because you were able to make it from your computer. That's what should baffle you. And you should be happy with that. So whatever the trading, if you can make consistent money from trading, be happy. It doesn't matter how much it is, because it compiles. It compounds. You have a snowball effect. First you make $100 a month. First you make $100 per day a few months. Or you make $50 per day a few months. And then you increase your lot size accordingly, right? With your risk, keeping the risk management tight. And then suddenly you're making $500 a month, right? But the growth only comes when you understand that snowball effect. Not when you try to hit that home runner one day, or over risk, or try to make 1,000 in a day, or try to make something that's way above your means. I was down 202 initially and made 100 off. I can't believe how greedy I was. Hey man, human nature, bro. But until you change that, nothing will happen with your trading career. So change it immediately, bro. Your mic sounds covered? Really? Something wrong with my mic, chat? Let me hear myself. Hello, 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 hello. No, my mic sounds good. It's your it's your headphones, Jose. It seems to be your headphones. Just hate to tell you. Anyway, UJ, please. Okay, but yeah, I hope that helps. Dan. Hope that helps, Dan. Just understand compound growth, bro. Understand compound growth, and you'll be ahead of most people. And again, change your success. Your success is not making money. Your success is following a strict strategy, a strict game plan, a strict playbook. That's your success. Follow my playbook, win day. Didn't follow my playbook, lose day. Accept the losses, because they're always going to come. No, it's a loss. But it's a part of the strategy. Move on. Next trade. So yeah, hope that helps. Again. And I will tell you this, as a final thing, I will tell you this, bro. As a final thing, I will tell you this. There are two choices here. Either you listen to what I just said and you learn from your mistakes, or you lose so much money that you'll be in such a deep, dark hole, you will wonder if trading is even worth it for you anymore. I think the first choice sounds better. So I think you should choose that one. Anyways. UJ. What about UJ, Jose? What about UJ? Oh, we got a comp here soon. Or we got a comp. Let's see. Let's look at the 4-hour. Let's see. Might look to get in here, chat. Might look to get in here. Yeah, I'm grabbing the salsa, chat. I'm grabbing the salsa here off this compensation play on your USD. So yeah, chat. Those are my USD sell. Now again, haven't go light on this one. Go light on this one since USD has not been is not thoroughly tested with the comp play. Not the way we trade gold or the way we trade other pairs. So go light on this one, but I'm entering this compensation player chat, especially after this 30 and 15 and 1 hour has barely any bottom wick. So yeah. I would ask for direct trading from you, but then that would be too much. Bro, I had no direct training for anybody, and a lot of people here don't have direct training. You don't need direct training, man. You just need to be on the grind. Learn from your mistakes. The only training you need is found within yourself, bro. Just use as many online resources as you can. Everything you need is for free, bro. I only trade gold, but wanted to move into other pairs for when gold has no opportunities. Best way to calculate pips, margin, etc. Lot size calculator. When should I get out Bardo? On UJ? Okay, hold on. He said something about UJ. Let me see. Use the JPY. Okay, so what would you say, Jose? You're in buys or sells? Took sell at from 146.15. See right here. When should you get out? I would hold this down to 145.682, I would say. So you could look to get out here. You see some. That's, I mean, maybe not get out completely, but at least close partials and make it a risk-free trade. Move stop loss or break even around here, and then you could probably hold this baby down to, I'd say, 144.9 would be full TP. But yeah, this is a strong area, I'd say. I think you might see a bounce here. Should be smooth to then. I mean, looking at price action, yes, should be smooth to then. Looking at price action like this, should be pretty smooth till then. Let's see, chat. I might have to end stream in like 10-15 minutes. So let's see if we get another. If we can get a nice position here on gold. Otherwise, I'll have to call it a day. It's very late. It's very late on my end. But I'm glad I can hop on here and give you guys some advice, analysis. Hold on, give me 1 sec. Also, by the way, chat, new video will be out in like an hour or two. So right after stream, I'll drop a new YouTube video. So make sure to stay tuned for that. It's a fucking banger. This one is a real banger. You guys will love it. Holy shit. Yeah, chat. I just got a text, so I will have to end stream here. I'm unfortunately have to go and run some errands. But yeah, short stream today. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully you guys got something out of this stream. We're letting this Euro USD position run. Currently pushing up, but the 30 and the 1 hour still has no bottom wick. And you should start seeing some rejections as you come up to around 1.10571. But we're gonna see some drawdown most likely. Don't be afraid of drawdown. It's part of the game. Anyways, appreciate you boys for watching. Short one. My analysis on gold still stands. You guys see, looking for sells at around 2654.8, or on closures below 2643.7 of the 30-minute and the 1 hour. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same place, same time. Not same time. Tomorrow at, for real this time, 8 a.m. EST. All right? Take care, boys. I appreciate y'all. Peace out.